Coinbase released Q1 earnings, so let's talk about the highlights. Revenue came at $1.8 billion and earnings per share of $3.05, which isn't too much of a surprise because they released similar estimates prior to IPO. Based on the revenue mix, it's clear that the trading fees is where they make their money, because only 5% of the revenue comes from other services. I also mentioned the serious competition within the space, because other institutions introduce new crypto assets faster. Important projects like AskCoin. No, seriously, Australian Safe Shepherd. In terms of full year guidance, they didn't want to give a concrete number because of the dependence on that crypto hype and then also trading volume. They hinted at some possibilities. When I took the lower end of the range or the more conservative assumptions, even with decreasing trading volume and lower MTU numbers, the business itself still has a crazy profit margin, and based on my assumptions would trade around a forward PE of 22. So it really comes down to, can they sustain these revenues as well as profit margins? If they can, then Coinbase at these levels is relatively fair valued. Also, there's one other big announcement. They plan on adding Dogecoin to the platform in the coming weeks. Yeah, which is great, but what about Ask